analysis of the Supreme Court judgment on submission of black and white photographs, the Supreme Court of India has recently issued a significant directive regarding the submission of black and white photographs in legal proceedings. This judgment, delivered by a bench comprising Justices Surya, Kant, and Ujjal, Bhuyan, mandates that black and white photographs cannot be submitted without prior approval from the court. Key points of the judgment in quality and clarity concerns. The court observed that black and white photographs often lack the necessary clarity and detail required for proper assessment. Many of these images were found to be blurred and subpar, which hindered the court's ability to examine the evidence effectively. Registry instructions, and the Supreme Court directed its registry to reject any black and white photographs submitted without explicit permission from the court. That measure aims to ensure that only high-quality visual evidence is considered in legal proceedings. Now, 3. Impact on legal proceedings. This ruling is expected to improve the quality and reliability of visual evidence presented in court. By requiring prior approval, the court aims to prevent parties from taking undue advantage of submitting inferior quality images. Commitment to accurate evidence. Then feel the decision reflects the court's commitment to maintaining high standards for evidence. Ensuring that visual submissions meet acceptable standards is crucial for the integrity of legal scrutiny and the administration of justice. Or full implications for legal practitioners. Lawyers and legal practitioners must now ensure that any black and white photographs they intend to submit are of high quality and have received prior approval from the court. This may involve additional steps in the preparation of evidence, but will ultimately contribute to more accurate and fair legal proceedings. For the judiciary will benefit from clearer and more reliable visual evidence, which will aid in the accurate assessment of cases. This directive also underscores the importance of adhering to procedural standards to uphold the quality of judicial processes. For litigants must be aware of this new requirement and work closely with their legal representatives to ensure compliance. This ruling emphasizes the need for presenting clear and detailed evidence to support their cases effectively. In conclusion, the Supreme Court's directive to bar the submission of black and white photographs without prior approval is a significant step towards enhancing the quality of evidence in legal proceedings. It underscores the importance of clarity and detail in visual submissions, ensuring that the judiciary can make well-informed decisions based on reliable evidence.